Hello my friends, this is Lynette again. We're going to cut another one of our fall collection soaps. And I am so excited for this line. I thought I was excited for my summer line, but this fall line, I think it's because I am so in love with fall. Fall colors are my favorite. And I love this time of year, although it's still 100 and something degrees here, which has been unseasonably hot. We went down to see my niece for her, support her in her baby shower this weekend, and it was 109 degrees where we went. So it was, yeah, it was a horrendously hot day. So this was the fifth soap that we did, I believe our fifth soap that we did in our series. And this was the Figgy Puddin. And so I chose this for a reason, because I smelled it and I thought it was going to be very Christmassy, you know, figgy pudding, and kind of have some Christmas smells, and it doesn't. It is a absolute beautiful perfume smell. It has notes of like jasmine and I think rose, and I don't know. It's gorgeous. And it has some very small hints of vanilla and sugar, like brown sugar, but I can barely smell those. And the scent retention today is just phenomenal. So I am so excited to get in here. Now, if you remember, we did a purple, and we actually did Love Bite, I think, or something like that was the, yeah, Love Bite mica, and it turned a beautiful rose color. And then I did our gold on the top, and then just did a regular infinity swirl. So we are going to just get this cut. And like I said before, I believe I said in that or one of the other videos, we're doing just small batches right now just to do a test, just to see how well they do. We're doing a couple of events. We're doing a couple of markets in the next week. Or sorry, well, when this is posted, in the next week. And then I just want to see how well they sell. And if they don't sell well, then we might have to rethink our line. I don't know. So I'm hoping that it does well, because I am in love with these scents. So I hope everybody will be too. Oh, I didn't get that very good on one side. Well, I got one end. So if I remember right, this riced just a little, but I think, oh my gosh, look at that, how pretty. And this one was just an in the pot swirl. No, sorry, this was a drop swirl, and then I believe I did a chopstick swirl. Oh my gosh, now I can't remember what I did, because I did so many soaps that day. I make a lot of soap. So that's our middle. We'll start on this end and go from there. So, oh my gosh, so pretty. Everyone, I love how the soaps, because every one of them is different. Everyone has a different story. I just love making soap. So there is our Figgy pudding. These, at the time of this video release, will already be in the shop. If you guys are looking for, if you are wholesalers or looking to maybe ease up your life a little bit, and possibly have somebody else do soap for you, we do offer wholesale. We are on Faire, FAIRE.com, under the Skin Candy. You can look us up there. We offer very low MOQs, especially for small businesses. We do ship out within 1 to 3 business days. And we are more than happy to get you guys set up with a wholesale account with us through them. If you go through them directly, if you go and just go on there directly, then you can order what you want. We have a low MOQ of everything. 3, I believe, is our MOQ for all of our products. So you could order 3 of this one and 3 of our fall fills, just to see how they work for your business. And we are happy to work with you on that. We also do custom orders. So we also can work with you on different scent blends, different oil blends and butter blends if you're looking for something, I don't know, strictly vegan or strictly organic, or you want to omit coconut oil or no palm, things like that. These are a vegan soap. I did not use anything in here that would constitute it being vegan. So these are considered a vegan soap. So if you have a shop that's vegan, or if you yourself personally enjoy vegan soaps, then these are the soaps for you. And I'm going to stop talking. So until later, we will catch you on the other side. Bye.